In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a background map in Tableau. Whether you're crafting a compelling data visualization or adding layers of depth to your dashboard, setting a background map can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your presentation. Let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. If you don't have it installed, you can download it for free online. Once you've got the app ready, open it up and access your worksheet. Your worksheet is where you'll be doing all your work, so make sure it's prepared with the data you want to visualize. With your worksheet open, navigate to the top menu and click on Map. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to map settings. From this menu, you'll want to select Background Images. This is where you'll be able to customize your map backdrop. Next, you'll need to select the appropriate data source. This is crucial because the background image needs to be associated with the correct data set to ensure everything aligns properly. After selecting your data source, look for the Add Image button and click on it. This action will allow you to choose the background image you want to use from your device. Make sure it's an image that complements your data and enhances the story you're trying to tell. Once your image is uploaded, you'll need to configure its position on the map. Start by focusing on the X field settings. Put 100 in the right field, then do the same in the Y field settings, but this time enter 200 in the top field. These values set the boundaries for your image placement, ensuring it fits well within your map layout. When you're satisfied with the positioning, go ahead and click Apply, followed by OK. This confirms your changes and makes the background map visible on your worksheet. After your image is positioned perfectly, it's time to refine your axes. Right-click on the X-axis and select Edit Axis. Here, you should choose the Custom option and enter 100 in the fixed end box. This custom setting locks your axis range, maintaining consistent scale with your image. Click Apply and OK to finalize. Repeat this process for the Y-axis, selecting Custom and entering 200 in the fixed end box. Again, confirm by clicking Apply and OK. To polish off your setup, you might want to remove unnecessary headers from your visualization to keep it clean. Right-click on the header and choose the option to remove it. And there you have it. You've successfully set a background map in Tableau. By following these steps, you can create visually stunning presentations and convey your data-driven story more effectively. Don't hesitate to experiment with different images and settings to find what works best for your data visualization needs. Thanks for watching, and happy visualizing.